crazy rush here. It's currently 1:18 a.m. and my sister is sleeping. We're about to decorate our baby shower. I'm gonna put this here and I'm just gonna do a time lapse, but I'll show you guys everything after. Let's go. Fill you in. So I got these things down here. It's like a backdrop, but it's like a wooden one, and they're just so short. So I made my own little backdrop. I'll show you guys. Let me just. God, this sun is gonna come out tomorrow, so it's gonna be better lighting. But yeah, this is kind of ghetto, but it's kind of cute also. Creative. Now I'm messing with this right here. I bought this bottle bank and we're gonna put like a bunch of stuff in there. But right now I'm going to fill it up. I just put some of these in there. This is kind of the theme. Sorry you guys can't really see me. This is a quarantine baby shower, so later the girls are gonna come. Like her 5 best friends, and I have cards for them to do. I got new mommy tape, so that's gonna go. It's gonna be like a treasure box of all this stuff. I have wishes for the baby that I want everyone to write and put in there. I have advice for a new mom to be that I want everyone to kind of put in there. And with the Zoom meeting, we'll see how it goes. I want them also to tell me, and I can write it down. I got a whole bunch of these because this is my sister's only craving. So I'm gonna actually fill the bottle with these, a couple of these right now. To see, it's kind of ghetto, but it's the best we can do for a quarantine shower. So you walk in, the ground looks like this, full of confetti and balloons. We got these. Those will be in the thing tomorrow. You guys haven't seen that yet. Is about me. I want her to put this on her belly. This is for my mom, this is for my sister, and this is for my sister, and this is for Jonathan, her husband. I also got them this because I thought it was cute. I got them little booties because it matches the theme also, and this is her only craving, so I went off on these. This will be where the cupcakes go tomorrow. We got these up here. This is where the Zoom meeting will be. This is the backdrop for pictures if she wants to take some. This is gonna be like a souvenir. So like I told you guys, all the little knickknacks and stuff will go in there, and she can keep this as a souvenir, put in the baby's room. This is just a table topper. We got some more Starburst or sweet tarts everywhere, and then we got all the just balloons and stuff. And yeah, this section is for the baby shower. This is it. Oh, and I got this. Super cute. And then outside I have a sign that says like it's a girl or something like that out there, because I want something out there for the girls. There's going to be the girls come here for like a drive-through baby shower. They're gonna be coming here to just smile and say thanks, and then I'm gonna get them to fill out, with our masks on and everything, I'm gonna get them to fill out some of the things for Irene, and they can chit chat and stuff. They're gonna be coming an hour before the meeting. I need to put these in the fridge, and then tomorrow I need to wake up and set them up on there because it's gonna be really cute. Oh my god, and then I have this. I put little babies in the ice cube, in the ice tray. And I actually wish I got her some more. She likes the sparkling apple juice or whatever. And it tastes like wine low-key, but yeah. I did that. I'm not much of a good planner. I like to like make knickknacks and stuff, like DIY type stuff, but like I've never planned like anything like this. I was supposed to be my sister's bridal shower, but we went to Atlanta, so it was like a little more trickier. So this one is fun, and I'm excited because I let my creative... You wanna come see? My mom just woke up. Happy baby shower!
I look crazy!
Who cares?
Oh my gosh! Shut up!
Tell me I did the best I did.
This is so cute!
I know, tell me I did the best ever.
Oh my gosh! Oh,
Okay, that's for Jonathan.
that is
You have to
so
put this on your belly.
Oh my god!
There's this.
What is that?
Look,
Oh my gosh! This
look,
is-
these socks match the theme.
Oh my goodness! The sweet tarts would have sweet tarts for days. This is so cute.
And then
Surprised me too.
that's your backdrop for Zoom.
Oh my god.
And then if you want to take pictures, you can stand over here and take pictures with this on there.
This is so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Great. And look,
Angel, this is so cute.
I know, I'm a decorator.
Oh my god. I was not expecting it to be this. Oh,
Nice, huh?
so sweet. Oh my gosh.
So this is with last minute stuff, but
Oh my goodness.
She surprised me. She's really. I did not know she's really.
Wow. She had to sweep all this up, but it's so cute.
yeah, but oh well.
I'm surprised. Now I can't cook. A breakfast. Now you have to eat whatever is there.
We'll have cereal. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Right? Look at the backdrop. I got a backdrop. It was hard, but I figured out how it could work.
Oh my gosh. You must have woke up early.
No, I did this last night.
You know,
Oh, did you do it last night?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're the last night, in the morning last night?
Like 1 a.m.
Okay, because I went to use the bathroom and I could hear was like, I was gonna come down and turn off the lights because I thought Johnny might have came and had the lights on. I was like, oh no, it sounds like someone's in the kitchen. So I was like, I'll
Nope.
just leave it.
Yeah, it was me.
This is so cute.
Isn't it so nice?
Gosh. He should have heard I was up there with Johnny. I was like,
Here you go. You see the babies?
I have to give it to Johnny.
You want some water?
That ice looks weird. Hey, babies in the ice.
So psychotic. Angel, did you take a video? Oh my goodness! Oh, asante kwa kuja, nimekuwa surprise.
All right, let's go. Let's go back in. It's freezing.
Oh my. Auntie Leotina said, first 2 weeks are the roughest. Nobody talks about it, but you will be okay. Help each other out. That's really good to know. Because I don't think people usually do talk about how rough it is. Thanks, Dad.
Jumping, going.
So, it's me. I have been busy learning how to do baby blanket. I learned baby blanket because the grandma is busy. Has been busy with that one.
Did you make that?
Yes.
That is so nice. I love it. Thank you.
And I made
A rug.
a rug.
You make this too?
Yes, I did.
Oh my gosh. You know what? I've been looking for a rug for the nursery, so this is perfect. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Can you hold it on that side so we can show everybody?
So beautiful.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
Wow.
If you need someone to make you something.
Another blanket.
Oh my god.
The last one.
That is the last one. I've been busy doing it and try to learn to do. This is
You.
Well,
Wow. Can you teach me? I can't make anything. I just knit. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so soft.
Wow.
You feel that?
yes.
We'll put
That is,
mom's contact information below for anybody who needs some blankets or rugs.
Please, please.
Wow.
And now you're going to be busy.
Everybody's gonna want you to make them something.
yeah. So the advice is take care of your baby and take care of yourself, each other. Don't forget yourself. You need to take care of yourself and take care of each other and enjoy your baby. Enjoy the moment all the time with the baby.
Thank you. That's so sweet.
Yeah, that's my advice.
I love these are so nice. I love these. Oh my goodness. There's congratulations again and again. I'm wishing you all the best.
I'm wearing this. It's done. Wow, it looks crazy in here. These are a rug and 2 blankets my mom made. And these are all the souvenirs that are in here. And the ice melted of the babies. But no one wants to drink the water.
Because it's hairy. Water has hair in it.
They did their race and
Johnny, they don't
sucked,
have any crab right now,
and
love.
that
What?
is the statistics.
Canada is something else.
Oh, and my mom got helium balloons this morning. So that is how you do a quarantine shower. That was a one-man
They
show,
have
you guys. I actually slept at 10 a.m. to 1. No, yeah, to 1. Then I had to get up and
Okay,
get
what
ready.
about Joey's
That's why I look a
seafood
mess.
terrarosa?
And I didn't want to show myself on the Zoom, but I had to anything because I was hosting. We also got some games we played. We got some baby food. They did the baby food challenge. Had to guess. They sucked at that. Yeah.
We got one. What do you mean we sucked?
Exactly, we sucked at it.
No.
We named like 3 different things in
You
there.
named
what I'm
2.
saying.
You just
No. There was one where we named 3 different
Name
things.
3 of them. Tell your viewers
named
anything
2.
for clout.
You named
anything.
you
for
named
clout.
pear and mango, and there's apricot. You didn't say an
I
oak.
said apricot.
You definitely didn't.
Can you send me our pictures?
Yeah. Sweet tarts.
Before
I already told you guys about
Before I
that.
figure out that I have to take another one.
And this
before
is the
one
dad
gets
to be.
undressed.
Hi everyone. My name's Don Calipone. I'm from America. I'm not about this Canadian lifestyle. It's quite cold here, but I am here and I am ready. This is the owner of the channel. What's your YouTube name?
Starlight.
Starlight. OnlyFans name old baby 365. She is
Sorry to cut you off. Sorry to cut you. Oh, you put the pin on here. Oh, guys, we had a pin and a sash. You guys saw that yesterday.
I wonder why they came so late.
all right,
To match
so,
the theme.
Can I take this off now?
I can't wait for her.
No, can't you have to send me these photos so I can make
I
sure
can't
they look
wait
nice?
for her to.
Or can you give me your phone so I can see them?
I should take some pictures.
No.
No.
Why?
It's food. You can't do that, Johnny. It has,
day
I'm gonna
is
say
done.
it's soap though.
Was it a success?
it has to be a yeah.
I'm gonna say it's soap.
It was the best.
Was it a
It
success?
has, it has
Yes,
to be
good job.
it has to be checked in with the check. Oh, there's the honey. Look.
Enjoyed your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.